All right, you're welcome back to Quiver Analytics, and in this video, we continue with the non-parametric test series. Now, in this particular video, we'll demonstrate the two independent sample tests, non-parametric tests, which is usually carried out by the ManwitnyU tests. Now, this is it's a replacement or is similar to the independent sample t-tests. Okay, so for this experiment here, this survey here, we have measured knowledge and attitude of participants in both the participants are teachers, both in private and public schools, those who have gone through previous training and those who have not, then their tenure. Now, this tenure is more than two categories. Let me go to the value view, variable view. You can see we have like 7 options here, but for the training or not, we only have yes or no, and the school type we have only private or public. So these are the independent samples. Like the being the private school, the outcomes from the private school is not dependent on the outcome from the public school. So it's not, they are not dependent. That's why it's independent. They are the same measurements, but measured across two different entities. Those two different entities are in the same universal set. They are both schools. Well, schools are of two types, private or public. They are both teachers. They have either gone through formal training or not. All right. So the objective is to test their knowledge and attitude. So in this video, we'll test the knowledge for public and private school teachers, while in the next, for further experiments, further tests, test for um, you can test for difference in attitude between private and public, difference in attitude between teachers who have gone through previous training and those who have not, then difference in their knowledge as well pertaining training. All right, so if I was too fast there, you can play back and maybe play it at lower pace. Or so all right, so our hypothesis here, because we want to test knowledge, is there a significant difference between the knowledge of teachers in private school and public school? Is there a significant difference? Is knowledge among private school teachers significantly greater or smaller than those in public schools? All right, so the first thing we do is to analyze. We go to descriptives, resets. So knowledge comes here. Okay, statistics, because it is scores, so I'm interested in that. Okay, let's see charts, histogram, and bell curve. I'm not interested in frequencies. All right, so this is what I have. So it's a non-parametric test anyway, so we don't have to bother about normality. It's just a normal thing to do when you are running non-parametric tests. All right, so let's look at analyze the script, frequencies again, but this time around for school type. And just okay, let's check the bar charts or pie charts percentages, and then okay. All right, so we have 67 private and 67 public schools, which is fine. All right, you can see the pie charts divided at the middle. All right, okay, so let's go straight to the non-parametric tests. So we go to legacy tests and two independent samples. All right, so we have the school type come here, and we define it as group 1 is 1, group 2 is 2. That's 1 for private, 2 for. Then knowledge comes here, so we can also bring attitude here. Okay, let's bring attitude here. So I've done one of the examples you're supposed to do. So ManwitnyU tests, you can check other tests as well. So let's see options. We would like descriptives and quartiles, then continue. And okay, so for knowledge, okay, this is the descriptives, all right. So for knowledge, for okay, mean, blah blah blah, okay. All right, for private school and the mean rank, then for public school, the N and the mean rank. So the mean rank for public school is greater than that of private school. Now, can we say for attitude, mean rank for public school is still greater than mean rank for private school? So can we say these differences are significantly different? Is there a significant difference in this averages? All right, so for knowledge, the asymptotic p-value, that's its significance, the two-tailed test p-value, we have 0.260. Then here we have 0.634. Both of them are greater than 0.05, which implies that the test is not significant. So knowledge and attitude wise, we can say that there is no significant difference between the two. Like, knowledge of private school teachers is not significantly greater than, in fact, it is not. We can interpret this way because public school teachers have better knowledge than private school according to this data. So we say that although it is greater, but it is not significantly, we cannot statistically say it is significant. So there is no significant difference between the knowledge and attitude of these teachers, right? So that's all on it's very similar to the independent sample t-test, the same procedure. It's just the methods that are different. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll continue on the non-parametric tests. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.